How to fix Axis Bank OTP not received. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Axis Bank OTP not received. Earlier, you were required to register your Axis Visa or MasterCard for a verified by Visa or MasterCard secure code. Axis Card will now send you a new 6-digit numeric one-time password, and it will be sent to your registered mobile number every time that you initiate an online transaction by choosing the OTP option. You will need to enter this OTP on the 3D secure page to authenticate your transaction. To register or update your mobile number today, call the Axis Bank helpline or log in to their website. The OTP can be generated before initiating the transaction by SMS code. You need to send the short code from your registered mobile number to 567-6798. You will be asked to enter the OTP or secure pay password only if the website supports Visa or MasterCard credit cards for online transactions. Each OTP is valid for 30 minutes or one successful usage, whichever is earlier. If the combination of wrong OTP or secure pay password totals 3 attempts, your transaction will be declined and the authentication service will be blocked. You will not be able to switch from SMS OTP to the secure pay password option or vice versa in the event you have entered the wrong OTP. For credit card, you can enter the OTP incorrectly a maximum of 3 times. After 3 unsuccessful OTP attempts, your Axis card will be blocked for 3D secure online transactions. OTP would be instantly sent to your mobile number, registered with your Axis Bank card after you have started the transaction and entered your card details. If you do not receive the OTP, please check if your mobile number registered with your Axis Bank card is correct or not. If the registered details are correct, you can request for the OTP to be resent to you by clicking on the link in the below message displayed on the screen, Resend OTP, as your mobile number will be the primary contact for Axis Bank to send you an OTP or transaction-based SMS alert. Please ensure that your new number is updated with Axis Bank at the earliest. If there is no change in your mobile number, you can start using the SMS OTP authentication for online transactions even after the card has been replaced as stolen, lost, or on upgrade or renewal.